Hey everyone, and I will be preparing for sales this deck. I have a buyer. I pulled it out, and unfortunately after all those years, so it's been sitting like 2 years without doing nothing. Fast forward, rewind is poor due to idler. Gets like uneven spots when it was sitting in one position. It works, but it not works that good as it should. So I have to replace idler again, and then like validate, tune, and make sure that deck will be ready for further use. Right, so if you have decks, keep them working, because they just will get bad over time if you're not using it. Same as with the cars. Okay, I removed the tape transport and I'm getting to the idler, which is right there. So soon I will pull it out. Check my other videos, it's quite easy procedure. Just remove these two springs, one from the bottom, one here. I remove this brakes mechanism by turning it 90 degrees and pulling out, and then we have access to the idler. Alright, see you soon. Here guys, I'm removing the idler by removing these brakes, and you may see these spots like when it was sitting. But what else I mentioned is that it looks like it has been made using 3D printing. So it's not a rubber, and that's why it's over time don't perform that well. Right? You may see little cracks on it, you may see stripes from the 3D printing and so on. So let me install the rubber one, assemble, and let's see how it will perform. See you soon. Alright, I removed the older one. It's really stiff, right? It should be softer. I get one from one Hurban. First of all, it's not the same size. It's a little bit smaller from outside, but we have a smaller hole inside. Alright, and it looks like plastic for me either. So like make on some plastic. So, and I got one from my older sets, like from years ago. This one was super soft. Like comparing to this two, it was like very soft. It was like lying like maybe 3 years, but it's still good, it's still soft, it is grippy. Like even with my fingers, I cannot make it slip, okay? Now, let me install it and let's see how it will perform. I don't want to install this one. It's really, there's no reason, because we have a metal pulley and it will just slip on it. Alright, see you soon. Alright, here is the new idler. We performing well. Fast forward and rewind. Okay. Now I can assemble the front panel and continue validation and preparing. Okay guys, and here I'm testing, and we're playing frequency response tape ABEX, 12.5 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz, 6.3, 1 kilohertz I believe, and 250. Alright, so we keep levels, that's good. So heads are still good. I hope owner will be happy. Alright, I tested the speed, adjusted a little bit. It was 3010. I was able to make 3006. It's pretty jumpy pot. Like you go like to 950 or 350, and to get closer to 3000 is almost not possible. Alright, it plays well, records well. So I will pack it and ship it. Thank you. See you in my next videos, and bye-bye.